Tender, juicy, and delicious barbecue is the cornerstone of outdoor cooking. Every pro barbecue pitmaster, chef, and backyard warrior knows that the true secret of turning meat into melt-in-your-mouth flavorful masterpieces is time and temperature precision. The problem? Most grills can't maintain accurate low and slow even temperatures consistently over time. Temperature spikes will rapidly dry out your barbecue, and temperature dips will leave it tough, chewy, or even undercooked. The engineers at BBQ Guru have solved this problem by developing a full line of high-tech devices that automate your grill's cooking temperature to give it oven-like precision. The result is delicious and perfectly cooked barbecue every time. Simply attach your Guru control to your grill, set your desired temperature, and it will precisely pulse oxygen over your coals to stabilize and maintain the perfect temperature. An internal computer constantly tracks all temperature fluctuations within your grill and adapts to these changes by adjusting the airflow with its calibrated fan system. The result? You'll be easily creating mouth-watering meals that your friends and family will love. There is a BBQ Guru temperature control for everyone. The Party Q runs on AA batteries and provides temperature control for most small and medium-sized grills. Because it's portable, it's great for your backyard, tailgates, picnics, camping, or cooks at the beach. The DigiQ comes with an additional digital food thermometer that constantly tracks your meat's internal temperature. This allows you to easily pull food off the heat at the exact moment when it reaches its peak of perfection. The CyberQ Cloud is BBQ Guru's most advanced control. It can monitor up to 3 food temperatures and is easily controlled by a computer or smartphone. You can graph your temperatures and receive email or text alerts when your food is ready. It can even be controlled by the sound of your voice. Whether you're just thinking of starting the hobby of barbecue or you're a seasoned pitmaster, the cutting-edge technology from BBQ Guru will make your outdoor cooking easier and more fun than ever before.